Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a short trade on DSJ. Opening a short trade is the opposite of going long. You're making money when the price goes down. Sounds simple, but here's the catch. Shorting is riskier than most beginners realize, because if the price moves against you, losses can build quickly. First, open the DSJ app and log into your account. Then tap Perpetual. This is where advanced trading happens. You're trading contracts, not just buying crypto. On the trading screen, you'll see long or short. Then tap Short. What this means, you are predicting the price will go down. If price drops, then profit, but if price rises, then loss. You'll see two options. Market order executes instantly at the current price. Limit order executes only at a price you choose. You set the entry price, and trade only happens if market reaches it. Input how much you want to trade. This defines your exposure and risk. Larger size equals higher risk. So, start small if unsure. If available, always set stop loss, which limits loss, while take profit locks in gains. Short trades can go wrong fast if price spikes up. What appears? TP trigger price and SL trigger price. Then enter the prices for both. Skipping this is how people lose money fast. Finally, tap the short execution button. Review details, then confirm. What happens next? Your short position opens, price moves up or down, and profit, loss. Updates in real time. What you just did. You entered perpetual trading, selected a short position, chose order type, set trade size, and executed the trade. That's a complete short trade setup. To summarize, opening a short trade on DSJ involves going to the perpetual section, selecting short, choosing between market or limit orders, entering your quantity, and confirming the trade. But understanding the risk is more important than the steps. And that's how to open a short trade on DSJ. The process is simple, but the risk is real. Don't just focus on entering trades, focus on protecting your account. Because one uncontrolled short trade can undo multiple wins. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.